Hi, it's Giselle from Kids Yoga Stories. I'd like to show you what's in the Calm Classroom Starter Pack to see if it's a right fit for your classroom. So first of all, there's the breathing exercise cards for kids. You can print these out, put them on a ring if that's useful, or just have them separated and pull out the ones that work for you. There are 30 different breathing exercises in this pack. You can focus on one per week, one per month, one per year even. You can pull the ones that you would like to use or put them in a center where the children can pick and choose which ones they would like as well. But this is just a great way to stop and breathe and just take a moment as a class and plant these seeds for children to have access to their breath that they can use anytime, anywhere for the rest of their life. You can choose ones that are based on different themes if you'd like. If you're doing a spring theme or it's around springtime and you want to do the flower one, you can pretend to blow in, pretend to smell the flower and blow the flower. That's one idea. Okay, so that's the breathing exercises cards for kids. Next, we have the mindfulness cards for kids. We have 5 different breathing. So there's 5 more in here, different ones than the other pack. There are 5 different ways to do mindfulness during movement. Also 10 different ways to involve sensory experiences with mindfulness and 5 different guided imagery. So for example, the guided imagery, really simple. You've got a card that's got just a little bit of a reading and then a little picture to go with it, okay? You've got the instructions, you've got the pictures. The movement one, for example, walk it, feel it. So you're taking a walk and you're thinking about all the different things and senses that you feel. So again, you could just pick out the ones that work for you, or you could put this on a ring and have the children to pick and choose which mindfulness moment they'd like to do. Again, a mindfulness moment. This could be in your morning meeting. You could do this every morning. You could do it once a week, whatever works for you in your classroom. The next thing is the simple meditations for kids. There are 10 different simple meditations in here, all based on different emotions and feelings. So for example, here's one on calm. You can read this meditation to your children, and you could also print out, each one of them have a matching coloring page, which is really great. Okay, so if you find your children have a hard time sitting or focusing, then they can be coloring that while you're reading that to them. Or also this comes with some audio recordings that I've made for it too. So if you'd just rather play it in the listening corner, or if you just rather play it and all do it together, you have that option as well. The next one is the growth mindset cards. So again, these can be printed out on a ring. This is all about having children you integrate movement with learning about how we can be the best that we can be. So hopefully that gives you a broad understanding of the Calm Classroom. All of this is to help just bring a little bit more calm into your classroom. Hope that helps.